Hello friends, in the previous session we have discussed regarding what is weighted number system or weighted codes. So in this session we will quickly start with what is non-weighted number system or non-weighted codes. So as in the previous session the weighted numbers we have understood like codes or weighted number systems are basically positional based. These non-weighted number systems are non-positional based. So one thing which I would like to again recall, which we have understood in case of um, that is weighted number systems, is that is positional, and this is non-positional, means it is not dependent upon the whole value of the particular number is not dependent upon the each position of the digit. So that means each number differs from the previous number by only a single bit, but it was not the case in weighted number systems. So now we will try to quickly understand what is this non-weighted number system or non-weighted codes with the help of a very good example as gray code as an example. So let us now start. What is this gray code? We will try to analyze. So see, as you can see here, okay. So what is this gray code? I will definitely cover one more session, okay, in detail regarding what is gray code, okay, because many of them are having confusions on what is this gray code and how it is defined and all, okay. So I will try to definitely cover the session on this as we have some confusions on that, okay. So that means just now focus on this non-weighted number systems, okay. So this is a gray code example. Just if you observe closely this gray code table, okay, this is gray code table. So you can see that each position from first digit, see, only one is changing. See, only one position is there is a change. See, from this to here, from first, starting from first and second, there is only one change in bit. Okay, from second to third, there is only one change in bit, C. Okay, so from here to here, there is only one change in position. That means you can see that there is only one, each number, okay, as I told you, each number differs from the previous number by only a single bit. Means from this number, if we take randomly, if we take this number, okay, this number differs from the previous number. Which is the previous number of this one? This one. Previous number of 0 1 1 is 0 1 1 0, means the previous it differs only with only one bit, single bit it is differing. See, up to here 0 0 1 1 1 1, same, only one bit it is going to be difference. So that is, in that case we can say that it is non-weighted code, simply to understand. Whereas in case of one thing I would like to again recall what we have studied in case of weighted number systems or weighted codes is BCD. We have took as an example. So in BCD what we observe is it is not necessarily, if you observe that table, one thing I forgot to tell you, like now in that table, if you observe BCD table, each each, see, first number, second number, each number differs from the previous number not only by one single bit. There are cases that it is differing by many bits. Understood, no? Okay, so that means in non-weighted codes, it is not differing by only one bit. Sorry, it is only differing by one bit, okay, in case of non-weighted codes, okay. So whereas in case of weighted codes, it is not necessary that only the one number and the previous number should differ only by single bit. It is not like that in case of weighted number systems. But here in case of non-weighted number systems or non-weighted codes, each number, any number, if you take once again 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1, means only one bit it is changing. 1 to 0 it has changed, means one number to its previous number, if you take, it is exactly same except one single bit. That is called as non-weighted number systems, okay. So this regarding gray code, I will definitely cover one detailed session on this, okay, don't worry, okay. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates, notifications, and like, share, okay, support. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment in the YouTube comment section. I will definitely try to reply. And if you want me to cover any of the topic of your interest, okay, for understanding purpose, please comment that in the YouTube comment section. I will definitely try to cover it. And if is any doubts, yeah, you are, please feel free to comment. Okay, take care, thank you, bye.